Hi everyone, we have a math problem on the board. 5 raised to power x plus 3 equals 125. Alright, I will always let you know that anytime you see this sign, equality sign, that's x equals x. It means that x equals x, everything here equals everything here. Now, in as much as we are going to find the value of x, it's always foundational for you to know when we finally find the value of x, substitute everything here will equal everything here. Are you following? All right, so let's solve. Solution. We will rewrite the question 5 raised to power x plus 3 equals 125. All right, now we have a base here 5, but here there is no base, so the next thing we should do is to be the same base. Let's try if we can have 125 to have the same base with this. So we have 5 raised to power x plus what? 3 equals 125 is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5, right? Which is 5 raised to power what? 3. Are you following? All right, so we write this as 5 raised to power what? 3. Since we have base 5, this base can cancel this base because there's an equality sign. So what we now have left is what? X plus 3 equals what? 3. All right. Now what we now have is x equals 3 plus 3 crosses equality sign becomes minus 3. X equals 3 minus 3 is 0. So what we now have is 0. Therefore, x equals 0. Is it possible? Very possible. It's possible for x to be 0. All right. We can now go back to this equation to substitute x as 0 to see if we can have the same value here. So we now have 5 raised to power x plus 3 equals 125. All right. 5 raised to power x is what? 0 plus 3 equals 125. 5 raised to power 0 plus 3 is what? 3 equals 125. 5 raised to power 3 is the same thing as what? 5 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 125. Therefore, this is 125 equals 125. At the end of the day, we've been able to find out that everything here equals 125 as well as everything here. That's why we have this equality sign. It's very, very instructional and foundational in mathematics. You can take your time to watch this video again. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. If there's any question that is troubling you in your school or you come across somewhere, bring it to us. We'll solve them together, no matter the topic, in mathematics most especially. This is Student Affairs. We're always here for you. Kindly share this video and follow for more.